2 hours. That's how long some people in the Netherlands have to wait on the phone just to get connected to their doctor. But this woman? She's trying to change that. She works here. Don't ask me to pronounce it.
Moet ik naar de dokter? It's a company in the Netherlands.
It translates to, should I go to the doctor?
43% of people who call the doctor don't need to see a doctor. And that is really a problem for someone who's calling and who is in a semi-emergency situation.
So how do you get people who actually need to see a doctor to the front of the line quickly? Well, the company had an idea.
So what we did for the last 12 years is do digital triage. We needed a party who is good at routing phone calls. So it was a logical choice to make use of the Sinch platform. So what's happening when you call the doctor's office? First you get this recording from the office itself. And then they introduce the digital assistant.
We are here to help. Just before we pass you to the doctor's office, we have to collect a few pieces of information.
So what the voice bot does is start the conversation, ask a couple of questions, like personal questions. What's your age? Are you a man or a woman? For who do you call? For yourself, for someone else, or for your child?
As the patient answers the questions, their speech is converted to text in real time.
We're going to ask you a few questions to make sure you're safe. Are you able to breathe normally?
Yes, I can breathe just fine.
Are you feeling dizzy?
Now, this may look like a normal IVR flow, but in the background, Sinch has layered in natural language processing to keep patients safe.
It listens to, and it can respond to that. I remember the first call. It was a man calling from his car, and he said, well, I stepped in this nail. I had this nail through my foot. Can I come in?
The AI model is trained to recognize when a patient is in distress. They'll skip the triage and be handed off to a real human right away. The information captured by the bot is passed to the agent, so the patient doesn't have to repeat themselves.
It appeared in the triages monitor. She said, I see it in our pre-triage that you had a nail through your foot. Is the nail still in there, or did you take it out? So that was wonderful.
Sinch's AI technology means that this voice bot is able to react to how real humans talk. It can understand different dialects and languages, so a diverse population can find their way through the phone tree successfully.
From a technology point of view, it's a super cool case because we're using the latest in voice technology to actually make sure that we understand the customer well, but also from, the value that it creates, right? It is allowing people to be helped faster and more efficiently, and making sure that people that have an urgent problem get the urgent help that they need, and people that do not have an urgent problem, are handled in the correct way with all the information that's provided to them.
It's a win-win-win situation, yeah, basically.